welcome viewers, Dr. JWAU. She was minutes away from walking away with traffic tickets. Then one decision changed everything. She refused to leave the car. Then came the arrest, then the knife, then the struggle, and by the end what began as an ordinary traffic stop had reportedly become 8 criminal charges.
So
yeah, it probably is because it's been in the car for so long.
do you have your license on you, sir? Okay.
Yeah, it's
they kept it for a straight year?
Yeah, and then
I never heard of that one, you know what I mean? That'd be a lot of money in storage fee. I would assume they'd charge you for it sitting there or anything.
They charged me $900. They put a starter and a back window on for me.
Yeah, the back glass was broken.
Okay. Do you have insurance for the vehicle, ma'am?
I'm sorry. That's on my phone.
Okay. Thank you. All right, sir. Here's your ID back, okay? I am issuing you a ticket for not wearing your seatbelt, okay? It's $47, and you can pay it at the website by the date down there. If you want to take it to court, it's your right to do so in that top right, okay?
Okay.
All right, you have any questions? Okay. And then, ma'am, can you step out of the car and just talk to me in the back here? I got some paperwork for you. You're not under arrest or anything like that, but... Yeah, yep. Thank you.
Don't mind my outfit. It's my bedtime outfit.
So, listen. So, your license is suspended.
What?
Your license, yeah,
For
your
what?
license is suspended for having for failure to have insurance. I'm not sure, but they said failure to have insurance.
That's definitely my Charger.
So
not
failure,
this car.
yeah. So failure to have insurance is the reason why they suspended it, and then they also said persistent violator. So I guess you have 18 points or something.
Last year.
So I
How
guess
long is it suspended for?
Okay, so the registration on the vehicle is expired for a year. There's no insurance, and your license is suspended. Okay, so for those reasons, I can't let the vehicle be on the road. Okay, we have to tow it. Yeah, I have to tow it because there's literally nothing on the vehicle. You know what I mean? There's no registration.
Can we try to wait and see if she answers?
So that's why they. Well, we've already waited a long time as it is. You know what I mean? And you have to be able to show insurance at the time of the stop. If you do have insurance on the vehicle, bring proof that the vehicle was insured at the time of the stop to court with you, because you have some tickets here. Okay, and the insurance, the suspended or mandatory court anyway. So might as well take all the tickets to court with you, honestly. Hey guys, so for your vehicle, so they're taking it to Trophy's Towing.
It was the disturbing parts, how many opportunities existed to stop the escalation. The vehicle expired registration, no demonstrated insurance, and the driver's license was suspended, so police told her the car would be towed. Initially, officers explained that once registration and insurance was restored, the vehicle could be released. But when she refused to leave the vehicle, the situation shifted from traffic violations toward obstruction and arrest. Officers repeatedly warned her that continuing would only make the consequences worse.
Out of the car. You turn this into you getting arrested now. You went from the same, your car's still getting towed, you're still getting the tickets, but now you're also getting arrested, okay? So step out of the car. The longer we drag this on, the worse it's gonna be.
What she's doing is...
Appreciate you. Ma'am, step out of the car. Listen, do you think we're gonna go away at this point? You're just gonna end up getting arrested. So you are under arrest now. We don't want to have to send you to jail as a result of it. We're going to charge you and release you, okay? We're trying to keep this at the lowest level we can, okay? You were going to get to go home after this, but now you turned it into something where you got to get arrested and at least processed at the station.
No, please leave me the fuck alone!
Right? You're talking about...
Then the escalation becomes dangerous. She produces a knife.
Ma'am, what?
She's got
Ma'am.
Leave me the fuck alone! Leave me the fuck alone!
Ma'am, put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Ma'am, put the knife down. Come on, ma'am.
Officers repeatedly ordered her to put the knife down while telling her they did not want her or anyone else to be hurt.
Calm down. Calm down.
Eventually, they removed her from the car.
You bitches want to arrest me? You bitches want to arrest me?
Ma'am. We don't want to turn this into anything it doesn't have to be. We don't want you to get hurt. We don't want any of us to get hurt, okay? Like I said, you're just going to get charged. You're going to get brought down to the
She
station.
looks pretty vicious.
Why? Because you don't like how I fucking grab my key back?
Well, you grabbed my hand and you also locked yourself in the car. Listen, ma'am, it's not worth it. Ma'am, don't do that. Come on, stop it. Knock it
Now she's
off.
self-harming,
Knock it off, okay?
cutting herself.
Listen. Relax. Just put the knife down. Okay? Just put the knife
Running the
down.
knife along her leg.
We don't want you hurting yourself. Listen, we want to take care of you. We're going to work with you. Okay?
For what? So you could arrest me?
You're not going to
You
jail.
want to fucking arrest me?
You're not
For
going-
what?
Ma'am.
What did I do?
Okay, so she's a brat, obviously used to getting her own way. If not, she'll self-harm and manipulate.
Okay?
Alright, if you guys need a full entry, do what you have to do.
We're speaking with her right now. She's sitting in the driver's seat.
Okay, so she's obviously spoiled.
Listen.
She doesn't get her own way. She's going to do whatever
Ma'am,
she
you
can
gotta
to make
drop the
that
knife.
happen.
Okay? You have to drop the knife. We don't want you hurting yourself. We don't want you hurting one of us, okay? You gotta drop the knife. Put the knife down.
Do
Put
it.
the knife down.
What the fuck are you
Put the
doing?
knife down. Put the knife down. Thank you. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Yep, I got it. Drop the knife. Do not. Put cuffs on her. Put cuffs on her. Watch. Yeah, watch it. Yep,
You
I
gotta
got
back
it.
up before I
Listen,
spit in your face.
she's safe. Do not do that. That's going to be another charge. You're under arrest now. You got it on there? Clear that knife. Grab that knife too. Yeah, grab her arms and I'm going to grab her legs, okay? Listen. Come on, hop out of the car. Watch her legs are cut. Come on. Get out of the car. Get out of it. Come on.
This happens all the time, viewers.
Watch. She's okay. Listen, we're getting her out of the car. She's gonna be safe. Bro, we got it. We got it. She's gonna be okay.
This is an 18-year-old girl.
Get out of the car. You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
So you've got the flying monkey in the background.
Listen,
Stop trying to fight.
relax.
She is pregnant. What the fuck, bro?
Come on. Get your arms out from under there. Come on. Yep.
It's basically just resisting arrest.
Right here. Slide your hand down. Yep. Come on.
This is typical. According to the video's closing summary, she ultimately accumulates 8 charges, including
grabbing the cuffs.
obstruction, resisting arrest, weapons offences, and assault on
Stop
police.
grabbing the cuff.
And that's what makes this footage extraordinary.
Stop trying to fight.
Stop fucking being rude!
All right, she's cuffed. All right. Stop trying to grab. Knock it off. Come on. You turned this into something it didn't have to be. You were about to be released, and now you're under arrest.
The original problem never disappeared. The car was still being towed, the ticket still existed. Everything that followed was added on top. Sometimes the most consequential moment isn't
Come
the
on,
original
what's your
mistake,
goal?
viewers.
Because I'm getting the fuck up, you dumb bitch!
What, you're
That
leaving?
big ass pig!
You're gonna leave and go
Dirty
home?
ass fucking pig!
It's the
Listen, you're
moment
under
when
arrest.
someone is
Take you
given
down to the
one
station,
last
cross the
opportunity
street,
to stop
Dirty ass
and
fucking
chooses
pig!
to escalate instead. And that's why this is called She was about to go home. The world of lost a war winner. It's bad, really bad.
Hold on one second.
Bitch, what you gonna search? My fucking panties? I got shit on! Dumbass! And you guys can't search me. Call a female. Y'all wanna search me?
No
Call a
female
female.
on duty right now.
Alright, well, I don't want y'all
Relax,
search.
relax.
That's sexual harassment. Y'all cannot search me. Y'all cannot search me. I will get a lawyer. Call a female. Call a fucking female.
Yep. Relax.
All of y'all, fuck off!
What's your
I'm about to kick on me, bitch. Y'all better.
This is the world of
That's all you're doing.
lost
Still doing this.
A1
You need
women.
to relax.
It's bad.
You're
Really
just making
bad.
it worse for yourself. I don't know what your goal is here, okay? Just relax.
Well, get me in a fucking car then.
You were about to go home.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. You were.
Bitch, as soon as I got in my car, you're fucking no.
You were about to go home. We were releasing
Until he
you
didn't like how I did something.
because you obstructed.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's another charge. And another one.
In the car. In the car.
Alright, so she picked up 8 charges: obstruction, resisting arrest, possession of a weapon with unlawful purpose, unlawful possession of weapons, subjecting corrections employee to bodily fluid 3 counts, and assault on police, for a total of 8 charges. That's it for the video.